Hi, Merry Christmas. It's December 25, 2025, and I'm going to unbox my Christmas presents. So we will start off with the smallest one. So this one I got from our company. I think these are like perfumes and body wash. Yeah. Oops. Next is these. It's a body butter. Next. Thank you so much for all my presents. Whoa, it's a perfume. Thank you so much. These John and Ate JC. It's an Adidas sports bra. Yay! The new one. Yay! Thank you. And still from Kuya John and Ate JC. These I think these are leggings. Yes! Because we have body goals in 2026. Thank you so much. And then the next. And this also comes with a small oil perfume. Yes po! Aww. You're so cute! It's a mug. It's a small mug. Let me just open this. I need to do this fast because I'm running out of phone storage. And next one, this is from Dr. Nancy. Oh, I didn't take a picture. Wow. Merry Christmas, cat. It's me. Ah, it's a fancy earring. Thank you so much, Dr. Nancy. I think that's it. Yeah. And the last one, this is from my Secret Santa. This is my wish list. So this is a very tita and it's very heavy. This is a very tita wish list. I don't know, I'm like obsessed with cooking stuff. Wow, they took time uh wrapping this up. Thank you so much for whoever is my Secret Santa. Yes. This is a cookware set. I love this. That's it for this unboxing. Thank you so much. Merry Christmas.